Look at this modern kitchen. The lamps, I love the details. Here's where they're going to put the built-in fridge. Here's the hood. Very beautiful cabinets. Very modern as well. Look at that. The marble island, enough space to move around. Look at the taps. The water is working, the water is there. And they put these sliding doors. I love that. Here's our tiny pantry. There. But honestly, there is enough storage kila mahali. In this cabinets, in the other cabinets. So much storage space. There is enough lighting throughout the house. Look at that. This is awesome. Everywhere it's well lit. The window is tiny, but the lights compensate for that. Look at the counters.